Good morning. So I will show you real quick. I'm right now here, and I'm riding the last bit up to Inverness. I will go from Inverness up here and drive this little part, because this is actually exactly at the coast, and then I might take the shortcut back either way here, or I guess here. So as you can see, my bike is asking for service again, so I need another BMW dealership. This time it will be more expensive and it will take a little bit more time, I guess, because it's the big service, it's 60,000 kilometers. So yeah, I have to make a few calls. I'm not sure yet if I do it before the ACT or after the ACT. I think before would actually be better. And like every day I'm looking for breakfast. Food all day. But there was a supermarket. So there is my breakfast. It's a Spar supermarket. So that's perfect. Maybe I'm like simply going here. Yeah, I don't think it's a problem if they need to go there. It's still enough room to go there. That's nice as well. Well, they have breakfast for £7. I could have breakfast there. So, no entry. Haha, funny. So I got a lot of breakfast. Look at this. Oh, toast. I don't know what that is. Beans, bacon. I don't know the name of that. Black pudding, scrambled egg, hash brown, and sausages. It was more expensive than £7 because it depends on the items you take, so I paid £13. So let's go. I will drive by Loch Ness today. Can I go out here? Yeah, I can. Let's do it. So, let me see. I have to go there, yes. That is beautiful. But that is not Loch Ness yet. That is Loch Lochy or something like that. I have to look it up. This is it, Loch Ness. I just called a workshop for my service and she told me she will try to call me back, and she don't know if it's working because I have a foreign number, and well, let's say I did not receive any call. The BMW dealership can only call UK numbers here, as it seems. I have to find out what to do. Oh, these are alpacas. Look at that, it's so cute. Wait a second. I need to stop there for a second. Whoopa. Oh, that's a deeper one. Look at you. Hello. 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 Oh, they're so cute. I love these different colors, and this one is super tiny. Hello. I'm finally at the coast route. Wonderful. Look at that. How cool. Oh, that's great. Oh wow. Look at this city. That is beautiful. John O. Groats. Okay, visitor center. Doors Distillery. Okay. Brewery. Let's check the coast. So, I asked in the tourist information, and there is a puffin cove when I go back the road and turn left. But she told me also that the puffins are mostly there in the morning. So let's see. I mean, she said the same thing that I already heard on the Isle of May, that the puffins at the end of July, they are mainly on the water, and that was also what I saw at the Isle of May, because there were hundreds of them in the water and they're not that much on land anymore. So yeah, that's why she said I might not see them now, because they're mainly there in the morning hours and then they're in the water. Well, let's see. Lighthouse cliff. Ooh. Ah, that was a big pothole. The roads here are pretty bad actually. Wow. My front wheel fits in there. That's a huge ship over there. Seems you can ride up to the lighthouse completely. That would be nice. Oh, hello. You're fluffy. Oh. So, there we are. And there's a beautiful lighthouse and the sheep randomly walking on the parking lots. Yeah, I guess I'll do the motorcycle parking. I'll just go here because I can. Beautiful, but it's too much wind for the drone. And over the ocean, well, I once had it that she wasn't strong enough to get back to me. Ah, no, not over the ocean. Well, it's a lovely place, but of course no puffins here anymore. And I don't think there are enough puffins here to like rely on it if you want to see them. But the lighthouse over there is exactly 100 years old. It was built in 1924, somehow 60 meters above sea level, and the tower is 11 meters high. One of over 200 lighthouses in Scotland. Very nice. And these lovely sheep, of course, very nice. And they have some information about seals as well. And you can see from April to September, you can see killer whales here. Well, I don't see any of them. I hope the sheep won't be too scared. A little bit. Yeah, it's lovely. Coastline Gardens of May. So I will follow the track a little bit further, and there should be like 2 or 3 campsites which I come across, so I will see where I stop. Ferry view. It's fully booked. And let's continue. The other one was completely empty. I don't know if it was open. look at these waves. That is incredible. I mean, they have a lot of grass. Is that the reception? New arrivals and visitors, please report to reception. I think that's the reception there. I'll just check.
Okay, so I need name, home address, an email address, and the number on the bike.
Okay.
So you're here just now. The tent pitches we have, they're actually full.
Okay.
I only have 2, but I also have space on number 11 or number 12. So there's 2 little pegs in the ground, just marking the pitch. So you can choose number 11 or number 12.
Okay. Wonderful. Right next to this lovely beach, and the sun goes down over the beach. That is lovely, unbelievable. I think I will take this one here. 11. Whoopa. So that should be good enough. Waves are absolutely amazing. It's incredible. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next video.